Polygon Matic at the time of this recording is attempting a bit of a bounce to the upper side, and on today's update video I will be discussing the target areas that you need to pay attention to, and above all discuss an additive structure that is playing out from the highs we made above the 0.277. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video on the 4-hour chart by first focusing on this additive structure, where you can see that on this initial drop I have been terming that initial movement as the formation of that first wave. Then we saw a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of that second wave that got us into the minimum target area for that second wave highlighted on the charts using that yellow target area, an area that gave us a rejection to the lower side, starting the formation of these wave 3 to the downside. And the minimum target areas for the wave 3 were given by connecting the fib extension from the high of that wave 1 to the low of the wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of that second wave. And you can see that the fib ratio 1:1 was fully maximized above the 0.20639, an area that gave us a reaction to the upside in what I have been terming as the start of a bounce in the formation of these wave 4, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of that second wave to the low of the wave 3, and on so doing the area that I'm paying attention to as a minimum target area for that wave 4 lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382, and that is between the 0.22876 and the 0.22193, which is that target area that I have marked on the chart. And I'm expecting that we can easily see one more new high here on the POL chart, getting us into this yellow target area, an area within which I will expect POL to get rejected, starting another pullback in the formation of this wave 5 to complete that 5-wave structure. And the minimum target areas for the wave 5 can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of that wave 1 to the low of the first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the wave 3, and on so doing the area that I will pay attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.16772. So in case we get rejected after that bounce over there, then I will expect that POL is going to fully maximize the 0.16772, completing that 5-wave structure. And the moment we have a complete 5-wave structure, then we can expect a bit of a substantial bounce over here in the next coming days. I also have an ABC corrective structure that I had been observing from the lows we made on the 7th of April, where you can see that we saw that bounce in this ABC corrective move. And after seeing that ABC corrective bounce, I have been expecting a bit of a pullback to the lower side, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows we made down here to the highs we made in the formation of that wave C, we can pay attention to the area between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.21429 and the 0.17815. That is the blue target area that I have marked on the chart, because within this area we can find support and then start a reversal to the upper side. So there's a very high chance that our 5-wave structure can also complete within this blue target area and then start our reversal to the upper side. So that is an additional key area of support that you need to pay attention to, and that is all that I'm expecting here on the POL chart. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.